Hello friends, welcome back to the money video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys tecno mobile guys gesture navigation setting, remove setting, how to remove gesture settings. So friends, you don't want to use tecno mobile phone gesture settings. How to remove gesture settings one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your device phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your tecno mobile. Friends, in your tecno mobile, open your phone system setting. After on phone system setting friends, you can see this type interface in your tecno mobile. Friends, in your tecno mobile, click here system navigation setting. And friends, you don't want to use gesture settings, so friends click here three button navigation setting, and you can use gestures or you can use three button navigation setting. And friends, you don't know how to use gesture setting, so friends click here gesture tutorial setting. And friends, you can take trial how to use gesture settings. Friends, left side if you swipe here you can use back button, right side if you swipe here you can use back button. Friends, recent app you want to check, you can check recent app, you can open. And friends, you want to go to your home screen, so when you can go to your home screen, swipe here. And friends, if you swipe here friends, you can see how to switch between recent app, you can switch. And friends, you want to activate voice assistant setting, left side and right side friends you can use voice assistant setting. So like that friends, you can use gesture settings. And you don't want to use, so friends click here three button navigation setting, and friends your gesture settings will remove. And friends, you can use three button navigation in tecno mobile. So friends, right side left side you cannot use back button, you cannot use gesture settings. And friends, you can change your three button layout style, click here more setting and you can change three button layout style. So friends, back button we have from left side friends, you can use back button, and you want to use back button from right side, so friends click here, back button will change. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.